Alright, so I've had people locally ask me about my bake lighter. Really nothing fancy, just my everyday bake lighter. So, started out with, got an O-ring here, keeps the gas from flowing out, just tucks up underneath. Boom, there you go, nice and secure. Next thing, Ranger Band. Does two things. One, it's a flame extender, so it is flammable, so you can start a fire with it, extend your flame with it, but it's also covering up a microcord. So I've got microcord wrapped around the lighter, just so I've got some sort of cordage out there in the field. And I've got a spare O-ring right there in case this one gets lost or broken. And obviously got some Gorilla Tape on here, but I've also got underneath the Gorilla Tape is come on, where'd you go? Ceramic razor blade. So I've always got my knife. I usually have multi-tool with me, but in case I have an issue, I've also got a ceramic blade in there. So if anybody wonders, I have gone through TSA with this. I've gone through multiple different checkpoints with it. Never gotten questioned about a blade being in there. I don't recommend doing what I did. It was more of a tester to see what happens. But more than anything, it's one of those, I've got about, what, $5 invested in this whole thing. So if things get confiscated or I lose it or whatever, that's not a big deal. But I've got cordage, I've got a way to cut, I've got flame, I got flame extender, I've got repair stuff. It's a pretty universal thing, and it all fits in my pocket. So just a little added feature. A lot of people put the tape on there. I just added a few other things. So take with it what you will, and have a great day.